Welcome back, artists, and welcome back to part 2 of the comic strip project. So this is going to be the last day that we work on this project, so this is pretty much just the finishing steps. So last week, you were practicing sketching, you were practicing brainstorming your ideas for a story, you might have come up with some different characters, some different ideas. Hopefully you've settled on one good one. So for today's class, what you are going to be doing is pretty much tracing over everything. So in this demonstration, I am going to use Sharpie markers. So I'm going in with a fine tip Sharpie marker, and I just really want my story to stand out a little bit more than it does. So I am going to go ahead and trace back over all of my details, starting with my squares. Now, I know a lot of us chose to include words, which was awesome because words kind of help clarify our story a little bit more. So if that's you, and you also included words, you might consider maybe tracing over the words either with an ultra fine tip Sharpie, but of course I know we might not all have that at home. So if you don't, a good alternative for that would be using a black pen to trace over your words. And that's going to be your first step to kind of trace over everything. And actually I think I can trace these big words with a Sharpie. So you're going to want to trace over everything with your dark marker. It could be a dark blue, could be a black marker, or a pen. You want to do that first, and then you're going to go back in and color everything in. So you are going to use whatever colored materials you have at home. What I've got with me today is different Crayola markers to use to color things in, and of course I've got crayons here. You can use any colored materials you have available to kind of finish up your comic book strip, make it look as nice as you can make it, and then you will be all done with the comic strip art, so this project. So this should definitely take the majority of the class time today. When you are all done with your project, as always, sign the bottom, just like I did last week. Take a photo of your artwork from today, and then make sure you attach that photo in the assignment in the Google Classroom, okay? And then once you have done all of that, you've turned everything in, that is when you are good to go for today. You're all done with your work for today, okay? As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can leave private comments, or you can go in the chat on the Google Meet and leave a comment for me, or you can send me an email and I will get back to you. But once you're all done with this, you have finished the comic strip art project. Okay, so good luck, have fun, and I will see you next week.